Today we are going to review what we know to start our next topic, topic 5. So you need to be on page 236 in your book. Pause the video if you need to get ready in your math book, page 236. At the top, we're looking at some words to fill in for vocabulary. We have dividend, divisor, factor, product, and quotient. Number 1, the answer to a division problem is a quotient. Number 2, a blank is the answer to a multiplication problem. So for multiplication, I know that would be product. You can write it on the line or to the side. I can't quite fit mine on the line, so I'm going to write it to the side. Number 3, the blank is a number in a division problem that is divided into equal groups. That would be the dividend. I'm going to cross off what I've used so far. Number 4, multiply a factor by a blank to solve a multiplication problem. So would I multiply by a divisor or a factor? I would multiply by a factor. All right, next one, 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. 5 times 1, 5. 4 times 10, 40. 7 times 5, 35. 4 times 4, 16. 9 times 3, 27. You can pause the video if you need to write these down. Number 11, the oranges in a store are in 7 rows and 8 columns. How many oranges are there? So now think back. Remember when we did rows times columns for multiplication? So I know I'm going to think 7 times 8 equals. I know 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. And my label would be oranges. If I look back, how many oranges are there? 56 oranges. I'll circle my answer. Number 12, we're looking at division. So 60 divided by 6. I can think 6 times what is 60? I know 6 times 10 is 60. 25 divided by 5. I can think 5 times what is 25? 5 times 5 is 25. 12 divided by 3, I can think 3 times what is 12? I know 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 30 divided by 6, I think 6 times what is 30? I know 6 times 5 is 30, so 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 14 divided by 2, 2 times what is 14? I know 2 times 7 is 14, so 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 9 divided by 3, I know 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 divided by 3 is 3. Number 18, if 28 stamps are arranged into an array with 4 columns, how many rows are those there? So I can think about 28 divided into 4 columns equals what? My multiplication problem, I can think 4 times what equals 28? I know 4 times 7 equals 28, so I know there's 7 rows of stamps. And you could draw a picture to solve this one as well. Let's look at number 19. Just going to erase that problem so we have more room for the bottom. We want to explain how to use 2's facts to find 4 and 9. We haven't done this one in a while, but we're going to start with 4 times 9 equals something times something plus a number times a number. So I can think about 2 numbers that are 2's facts, so I know I'm going to multiply 2 times something and 2 times something. So I know I want to get 4 rows total because that's my first number. So I know I'll have 2 rows and 2 rows. And then we want 9 in each row, so 9 will go in this next one. And we can check our answer by thinking 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. 4 times 9 is 36. So I want to think about, is 18 plus 18 36? To check my answer, I know 8 plus 8 is 16. And I have 1, 2, 3, 36. So I know that my 2's facts to help with my 4 times 9 is 2 times 9 and 2 times 9. That is the only page we will be doing today in our math book. And you can send me a picture on Seesaw of your work. And then I also want you to practice extra math today for 15 minutes. So the link is in the rest of the Seesaw activity.